Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our lecture number 10 and HW number 9. And our topic is H-shape. Our topic is H-shape. Okay? Dear student, why I have select the H-shape? Because on the basis of H-shape and L-shape, you have to solve in upper class different types of math. So today I have select H-shape. Okay, dear student, hope you understood. Let's try to solve the H-shape. Question number A, 8, 16, 20. Now we want to determine the H-shape. Look, H-shape means highest common factor. Highest common factor. See, highest common factor. Factor, its another name is divisor. Factor, its another name is divisor. Look, 2, 3, 5, 7, these are the prime numbers. You know, 2, 3, 5, 7, these are the prime numbers. You know, prime number has only two factors. Prime number has only two factors, 1 and itself. Look, suppose 2. 2 has two factors, only two factors. That means 1 and 3. But look, 9. 9 is not, 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. I repeat again, 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is the smallest prime number. 2 is the smallest prime number. But 9, look, it has three factors, 1, 3, 9. So this is not a prime number. Okay, this is not a prime number. Just look, so we understood that 2 is the prime number, that is smallest prime number, 3, 5, 7 are the prime number. Like this way, 11, 13, 19, 17, these are the also prime number. When you solve the H-shape or L-shape, you choose always the prime number. But at first you select 2 or 3 and 5. That means you proceed smaller to greater. Smaller to greater, like this way. So I have select a number 2. Listen. Now at first you draw like this way. Okay, please be attention. Draw like this way. I hope you given. Now for determination of H-shape, I told about you determination of H-shape. You have to choose or you have to select a prime number. You have to select a prime number so that all the numbers are divisible by that number. I repeat again, you have to select a prime number so that all the numbers are divisible by that number. Suppose we have select at first 2. You look, this is divisible by 2, 16 is divisible by 2, 20 is divisible by 2. So we select 2. Right here 2. Then if you divide 8 by 2, then you get 4, then 8, then you get 10. Okay? That means if you divide 20 by 2, then you get 10. Similarly, 18 by 2, then you get 8, 4. Now again, give. Look, 4, 8 and 2. All the numbers are divisible by 2. Look, because this is even number, even number, even number. So all the numbers are divisible by 2. So you again select 2. Okay. Now divide 4 by 2, then you get 2, 4 and 5. Okay, dear student, you divide 8 by 2, then you get 4. Similarly, you divide 10 by 2, then you get 5. Okay, now look, here is 2, 4 and 5. Look, there is no common factor. Okay, this is divisible by 2, this is also divisible by 2, but this is not. So you cannot proceed. ASF means what? ASF means highest common factor. You have to select a number so that all the number are divisible by 2 or all the number are divisible by that number. Okay? So there is no number we select that these are the divisible by 2 or 3 or 5. So we cannot proceed again. Therefore write A is C F 2 and 2. Right, 2 and 2, that means 4. You select only the left side number, okay? This is not valid for determination of ASF. You select only this number and you write as a multiplication from, okay? Dear student, remember, you don't give this circle, okay? I have given for your understanding. Okay, hope you understood. Now, B number question, 15, 18, 30. 15, 18, 30. Look, we know 2, 3, 5, 7, they are the prime numbers. Okay? Now, you have to select a prime number so that all the numbers are divisible by 2. At first, you select 2. But look, this is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. But 15 is not divisible by 2. So now you select 3. Carefully look, by 3 this is divisible, and this is divisible. So now you select 3. Okay, you divide 15 by 3, then you get 5, then 6, then, okay? That means if you divide 15 by 3, then you get 5. Similarly, 18 by 3, then you get 6. 30 by 3, then you get 3. Okay? Now look, carefully look. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2, but this is not. Now you select 3. This is divisible, but these and these are not divisible. So we cannot proceed. Therefore, we write A is CF equal to 3. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve C number question. Look, C number question, C number. We know 2, 3, 5, 7, these are the prime numbers. Again the same word. Now you select, look, all the numbers are even number. So this is must be divisible by 2. Right, like this way. Now you select 2. Okay, divide 12 by 2, then you get 6. Then you get 18. Then you get 30. Okay, dear student, you may divide, suppose by 2, 60, like this way. 2, 3 there, 6, 0, then you divide. Okay, that means you got 30. Okay, right here 30. If you divide 36 by 2, then you get 18. Similarly, 12 by 2, then you get 6. Now again, look, all the numbers are even number. So again you select 2. Then this becomes 3, this is 9, and this is what? 15. Okay? 3, if you divide 6 by 2, then you get 3, 9, then 15. Hope you understood, boy. Dear student, you divide 6 by 2, then you get 3, 18 by 2, then 9, 30 by 2, then you get 15. Okay? Now, look, this number are odd number. Look, or the number are odd numbers. So this is not divisible by 2. Now you select 3. 3 is a prime number. Just remember, you don't choose any without prime number. Suppose 4, 9, this is not a prime number. Okay, so you don't select that number. That was the composite number. Now, so you select now 3. Okay, because 3 is divisible by 3, 9 is divisible by 3, 15 is divisible by 3. So you select 3. Okay, you divide 3 by 3, then you get 1, 3, then 5. Okay, if you divide 15 by 3, then you get 5. Similarly 9, then you get 3, 1. Look, all the numbers are even odd number. Look, 5 is odd, 3 is odd, 1 is odd. There is no common factor here, so we cannot proceed. Okay, look, there is no common factor. All the numbers are different. Therefore, we cannot proceed. Therefore, we write HCF equal to, you choose the left side number, only the left side number. That means 2 into 2 into 3. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Okay, dear student, hope you understood. Like this way, you solve different types of HCF. Okay, dear student, look, now I told you about your HW. Dear student, look, our HW number 9. One number, determine HCF of A this, B this and C this. Okay, dear student, your assigned HW is very, very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy, you will get your city marks, diary marks and HBR marks. So you have to submit your HW copy on every Sunday within 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. in the school library, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies from the school. Dear student, hope you understood my discussion, but remember, you have to practice again and again. Remember that practice makes a man perfect, so you have to practice. Okay, dear student, stay safe, stay healthy. See you again, inshallah.